Hello there everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new LEGO Technic alternative build. Today we're converting 42102's go-kart into a trike. This is our smallest build so far of 42102, coming in at 86 pieces across 40 steps. So divide that, you get an average of 2.1 pieces per section for today's build. It's very small and very cute. This will be our first three-wheeler MOC ever, I believe. So let's strip the go-kart apart, put the pieces into coordinate tabs, and get to our next conversion, the trike. Enjoy. And there's the full and complete conversion from 42102's go-kart into the trike. As a biker, I can really appreciate this. I like the design, I like how it looks, I like how it went together. It's a very cool set indeed. We are 5, 4, 5. This thing has a great little turning circle, one of the best turn circles I've ever seen. Very wide and very variable. You can do a little turn, or you can do a big turn, but you might have a little tumble if you turn too hard. The cogs here act as the footrest, or you could have your gear changer and your rear brake. I think this is very quite good. It took about 13 to 14 minutes if you're going to be specific. A good first trike. I didn't show section 40 out of 40 because it is just a side view of the vehicle, saying if you put this on too hard you could snap the piece in half, which is very true. Do be careful when applying this. You could snap your trike in half. Thankfully I know what I'm doing, and I have a nice working Claas Zerion trike. This is definitely a set I'd recommend. Really easy. Like I said, 13, 14, 15 minutes if you want to be very specific. I enjoyed it from start to finish. A very nice set indeed. As always, leave your thoughts down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Would you build the set? Would you buy the original? How do you feel about trikes? Do you like trikes? Do you like bikes? Do you like LEGO? Do you like MOCs? If you don't, why have you watched this far into the video? With that said, I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.